Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In today's video, I'm going to the Battlegrounds mobile game 120 FPS drop test in the POCO X8 Pro when the battery percentage is below 10%. Right now the battery percentage is kind of close to like 10% as you can see guys. So with this kind of 10%, let's find out how will be the FPS going to be there. So how much you can actually expect in terms of the performance wise and what will be the temperatures will increase during this time of testing. Right now we got the notification saying 10%. So you can see right now at this moment it's about 34 degrees Celsius. So we'll try to play the game couple of minutes and we'll try to figure out how is FPS going to be there in the POCO X8 Pro under these extreme conditions. And I'm trying to use the wild boost option at this moment. So using the wild boost option, we'll try to see how is the FPS going on. So right now, so we can getting about close to 116, 117. So under this 10% battery capacity, I'm trying to do this kind of testing in the POCO X8 Pro. Temperature is 34.2 degrees Celsius right now. 112. So we got FPS about 112 FPS during this time of testing. I'll just monitor the gameplay for a couple of minutes under this extreme circumstance, how the gameplay gonna be there. Still now, I didn't feel any kind of much issues with the shutter lag. So what right now we're getting about like 120. You can see the previous graph as well, how the graph is behaving at this moment in terms of the FPS. So I can do the one more FPS drop test as well in the POCO X8 Pro under this 10% of the battery capacity. So let me to go back and let's exit and start the match again. So right now is a drop test on the POCO X8 Pro. So when the battery percentage is below 10%, this is what the FPS drop test going to be there. So regarding the temperatures, we'll try to see it's about 35.2 degrees Celsius right now. So we are getting about 117 FPS at this moment. 119, 114. So overall, this is what the FPS we got right now, as you can see, guys. So close to like 114, 115 was an average which it did maintain in the POCO X8 Pro when the battery percentage is below 10%. And right now the battery percentage is 7%. It dropped 3% during this time of demonstration. Using the 120 FPS, the battery will drain slightly faster than normal with the 90 FPS. That's something you should know about. And on the back side of the device, it's slightly kind of heat as well, front and back. So this is a quick demonstration, guys, on the FPS drop test on the POCO X8 Pro. So right now, as you can see, this is another FPS drop test at this moment in the POCO X8 Pro using the 90 FPS. Let's find out. So before we did do with the 120 FPS, right now we'll try to see with the 90 FPS how much it can actually maintain. And we're getting about close to 89, 87, 88. 83. So this is a quick demonstration, guys, regarding the FPS drop test under 10% of the battery capacity. This is what you can actually expect in this device. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, signing off and bye.